Welcome to AIStoriMate training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to create social story. Go to the left menu and click on Create Social Stories. Now choose which type of story you want to create. Choose how you want to generate story. You can either choose Auto Create or Manual Story. Now give your story title and story idea or keyword. Once you click on Submit button, all of your story ideas are shown to you. Once you choose your story idea, all AI-generated templates are shown on the screen. Choose your desired story template and your templates will be open in our exclusive editor. Now you can customize it according to your choice. Make sure to save every slide after editing. Otherwise, your slide won't be saved. Once you are done editing it, click on Export and your story is ready. You can also add background music to your story if you want. You can view your story. Download it, or share it on your desired social media platform. Thanks for watching the video.